Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to go live on YouTube from your phone. So let's start. First, open the YouTube app. At the top of the screen, you'll see a camera icon. That's your upload button on YouTube app. Tap on that. Now you'll see three options. You can upload a video, start a live, or write a post. Since you want to start a live, select Live. Your front camera will automatically open. And now you have to enter some details. I'll just give it a title. You can also set privacy, add a location, and set audience. Then scroll down and tap Next. Now it will ask you to smile for a thumbnail. The thumbnail is set. Now if you tap Go Live, your live stream will start. So if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.